Just a quick update video of the progress of the old Perry County Memorial Hospital demolition. We've got hardly anything left to haul off. They've been bringing in topsoil. Wonder why that's not been removed. And there is another building over the hill there that you can see in one of my other videos that's still there. I know why they left the buildings back there, but there's a mystery. The mayor said, or the man I talked to yesterday said the mayor wanted it left, which really makes no sense to me, but you know, what do I know? Anyway, that's all I got for now. Hope everyone's having a great day.